You tap Get in the App Store, but nothing happens. Certain apps refuse to download, even though your internet is fine and your Apple ID is signed in. On the iPhone 17, this usually happens when screen time restrictions are blocking apps based on age ratings. Here's how to fix it. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Enter your screen time passcode if prompted. To continue, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, then tap App Store, Media, Web, and Games. Under Allowed Media Services Content, tap Apps. Now tap Age Rating, then select Unrated. This removes age-based restrictions so any app can be downloaded and installed. After changing this setting, open the App Store again and try downloading the app. It should now install normally. If you still have trouble, make sure your iPhone has enough storage, enough battery, and a stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi. Also confirm that you're signed in with your Apple ID. If you want to limit what apps can be installed later, return to the Age Rating menu and choose a more appropriate restriction level. And that's it. If this helped you download apps on your iPhone 17, give it a like and check out our other videos to discover more fixes and hidden iOS features. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos like this.